Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Beatrice. I do a bunch of lifestyle, fashion, and beauty content. Specifically, a lot of my bag videos have done really well. So if you found any of those other videos and you made your way here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Today's video is very special. It's another bag review. I am working with Verano Hills. They're an affordable luxury handbag company who just believes that everybody deserves to have quality handbags that don't break the bank, basically. I got to select two stunning bags that are just, you guys know I love bags. I love a classy chic handbag, a classy chic moment, and their whole essence of their website, of their collection is luxury. Obviously, the price tags make it that much better. They sent me two stunning handbags that I'm gonna go over today, and I just wanna say thank you, Verano Hills, for sending me these. So let's just get into the video. Oh, I forgot to mention, they are doing a buy one, get one free sale on their website, which is just, guys, that's honestly kind of crazy. Buy one, get one free, and you get two stunning handbags. I think it makes it even more worth it, but let's get into the video so you guys can tell that it's that much worth it. I'm so excited. The first bag, well, I didn't even show you guys both of them. Just look at these. We'll talk about this one first. This is the Lauren handbag. She is beautiful. This beautiful brown caramel color. Fall is coming, guys. And she is the one for fall. Look. So she is a gorgeous handbag style that comes with a top carry handle, and then it also came with a crossbody strap. The only downside to this strap is that it's not adjustable, and I have a really short torso, so it hangs kind of long on me. But if I'm being completely honest, you can take the straps off, and that's likely how I would wear this handbag anyways, because she's just so gorgeous. We do one of these situations, you can carry it under your arm really nicely. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mention, guys, I moved. I'm in a whole new apartment. I got a very beautiful high-rise studio. I'm doing my best to get everything organized, but I will do all the apartment content that are just like, those are some of my favorite videos. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. If you notice a new background, that's why. Back to the bag. It also comes with this clasp in the front. When you open her up, can do extended open. They have these clasps on the sides so that if you wanted it a little bit more sleek, you could do that. Or you could have it extended open. So it has two slots, a front and a back. You do get a zipper situation back here for any little things that you didn't want to lose. She has so much space. Look at that. Honestly, the quality is very good. The interior leather feels really nice. It feels really sleek. The outside suede is beautiful. You can obviously see on camera how stunning this is. So you have those two sections. Let me clasp her back up. You have the stunning logo at the bottom. It makes it look like a luxury designer handbag when they do really gorgeous details like that. And then in the back, you get two more little slots that you can fit like a card or something quick that you wanted to access really well. I would wear this as my everyday bag. I might start wearing this as my everyday bag. I think that she is big enough to fit like an iPad. I don't think she's big enough to fit a laptop per se, but an iPad, some books, your wallet, keys, like all the essentials, phone. Here's my phone so you can see the size comparison. There's so much space. I love it. She's gorgeous. She was definitely, when I got to pick out a couple bags, she was my top #1 because I could just tell this is something I would wear to brunch. This is something I would wear. Honestly, even if I wasn't super dressed up and I just wanted to have a really nice quality bag, I would take her. I can't get over how gorgeous this is. And another thing that's so big for me, I have very sensitive shoulders when it comes to backpacks, when it comes to bags, when it comes to just carrying stuff for too long. And there is a little bit of padding in here. Not like cushion, not like it's super plush, but there is a little bit of padding. So I think I could wear this most of the day and be very comfortable in it. Oh, so stunning. This one, gorge. She's beauty, she's grace, she's Verano Hill. The next one, guys. I can't even speak. I think she just needs a moment. Are you kidding? They have a space for your hand to go in. For the clutch, when she came in, I couldn't even speak. She is so gorgeous. She's a clutch, so you can do the handle. I love that they have this part a little bit extended, so when you hold it, you can just, they were so smart about that, because sometimes I don't love a clutch because I feel like you just have to hold it the whole time and it's kind of just, you're holding it. This at least gives you some sort of semblance of security with your bag because it's wrapped around your hand, but they did it in such a thoughtful and elegant way. Guys, this one also did come with a strap. I don't think I would use the strap, but it's nice to have the option, especially if you're going to somewhere fancy. It's the end of the night, you're sick and tired of holding your bag. I love that they give you the option. And this strap is very sleek, matches the gold perfectly, but it is removable. And it does, the bag has like little things that pop up. So if you didn't use it and you just wanted to undo the clasps, the little, what's it called? Another thing that I did notice about this, it is secure. Your stuff is not gonna just pop out of this bag when it's closed. I also need to work on my strength a little bit. Like I was saying, so these are the little hooks for the crossbody, but they just fold in. So when you close it up, you won't even see them. Inside, gorgeous shimmery gold metallic. Well, not shimmery. It's like this pearl, like iridescent something that the whole bag encompasses. Gorgeous details. And again, inside it says Verano Hill, just another touch of luxury. And the clasp, I believe, is magnetic, very strong magnetic. Your stuff's not coming out of there. I'm so obsessed. I don't have too many very colorful bags, so this really gives me a fun option, especially for a nice night out. I do have a black tie event coming up. My first actual black tie event is for my company holiday party, so I cannot wait to actually use this in a setting where it's gonna be so appreciated by me and by just the whole party goers. She is gorgeous. Obsessed with her. I didn't even tell you guys the prices, so you can get an idea of this affordable luxury. For the did I tell you what this one was called either? She's the Deja clutch handbag, and she goes for $95. $95 for this stunning piece of artwork. You could prop this up somewhere and she's gonna shine. So it's $95 for her, and then for the Lauren handbag, the other one, I don't even remember if I told you guys the names. Right now, originally she goes for $145. Right now on the website, it's saying $72.50, which if you were me and I was you, I would run to the website because that's a steal for the quality of this bag. That's actually insane. Oh, it says it's sold out, but maybe you can be notified when it returns. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in with me for this stunning handbag collection. Guys, Verano Hills, that's the place to be. Just look at these. Thank you, Verano Hill, for sending me these stunning bags. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you're considering going and getting a new bag, I would definitely consider them. When it comes to bags, quality always matters so much. You just want to be able to wear something again and again and again. And these bags not only cover the quality, but they're also so stylish that you'll want to wear them every day. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to start wearing these. Thank you, Verano Hill, for sending me these. And again, they're doing buy one, get one free on their website. I'll have the link in the description box, and I'll link both of these bags too so you guys can check them out. I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.